Salve to Discipuli, this is Mickey Strabuddy, and this is your first lesson in Latin Novice. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the English and Latin parts of speech. We'll talk a little bit both about how they are similar and about how they are different. So, first of all, parts of speech in English. A part of speech is a way of grouping words by meaning. You can probably think back to your elementary school years and remember that nouns describe a person, place, or thing. Verbs typically describe an action or a state of being. Typically, a verb tells what the noun in the sentence is doing. So take a moment and just look at these 5 sentences here. Which words do you think are the nouns and which ones are the verbs? Go ahead and pause the video for a moment. Okay, so for the nouns, you probably had father and child, love and anger, mother, father, child, hand, eye, day, night. Those are all nouns. For the verbs, we have calls, conquers, love, has, and rules. Interesting here, in sentence number 2, love is a noun, and in sentence number 3, love is a verb. Latin does the same thing. It'll have oftentimes words that can be both a noun or a verb depending on how it's being used. Now let's look at the parts of speech in Latin. Typically the meaning is the same, but there's a great visual indicator in Latin that tells you whether or not you are looking at a noun or a verb. In the beginning, it's really simple. For right now, all of our verbs are going to end in a T. So scan these sentences and take note of which words are nouns and which words are verbs, just based on whether or not it ends in a T. All right, so let's look at our verbs first, because those are the easiest right now. They end in a T. In sentence number 1, we have amat. Sentence number 2, kalot. Sentence number 3, winkit. Sentence number 4, edit. And sentence number 5, tergit. And it doesn't matter whether or not you know what these words mean. You do know that each of these words is a verb because it ends in a T. Everything else in these sentences are nouns. So pater, matrem, mater, filium, amor, pater, saxum, kailos, and teram. Those are all nouns. Quick summary, how can you tell the difference between a noun and a verb in English and in Latin? Your homework for tonight is to ponder those 2 questions and be ready to discuss them in class tomorrow. Vale to Discipuli.